Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video you will find 8 popular German main dishes you should either try in a restaurant or by cooking it yourself. If you need the recipe, let us know in the comments and we will help you out. Beef rouladen are one of the most traditional meals when it comes to celebrations in Germany. They are very popular for Christmas and other holiday dinners. German meatballs have various names in Germany. Depending on the region, they are called Frikadellen, Fleischküchle, Fleischpflanzerl, or Buletten. Served with potato salad, you will find them not only regularly on the German dinner table, but also in every beer tent on the famous Oktoberfest in Munich. One could argue that goulash did not originate in Germany, but it is one of the most popular main dishes since the 1800s. Germans love their goulash served with Spaetzle or dumplings and a side of veggies. Sauerbraten is a traditional German pot roast. Before cooking, the roast is marinated for several days in a mixture of vinegar and/or wine, water, herbs, and spices. Jager Schnitzel is probably one of the most famous German dishes. You will find it on every restaurant menu that offers German cuisine. As it is easy to make, you should try to make it at home. Germans love their stews. They have a huge variation of stew dishes. One of the most popular is Gaisburger Marsch, a traditional Swabian beef stew with potatoes, Spaetzle, carrots and leek. Cheese Spaetzle is the German flavorful version of macaroni and cheese. This hearty homemade pasta dish is made with Emmentaler or Allgäuer cheese and served with a topping of sautéed golden browned onions. Maultaschen are a kind of German ravioli, stuffed with various fillings such as meat, spinach, cheese, or even fish. They are served in various ways: fried, baked, or in soups. You can enjoy Maultaschen in so many dish creations that you will absolutely fall in love with them. I hope you got in the mood for some delicious German food. Try one of our recipes. It's way easier than you think. Guten Appetit!